You're now watching EBC News. Information at the speed of empowerment.
On August 3rd and the 17th, there will be a men's prayer breakfast at 8 a.m. in the Fellowship Hall. During the month of August, Vacation Bible Study will be held every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. The theme will be Joy in Jesus. Be sure to join us every Wednesday during the month of August for VBS. On August 6th and the 13th, Mass Choir will rehearse at 11 a.m. in the Life Center. On August 9th, the Marriage Ministry Fellowship will be held at 6:30 p.m. in the Fellowship Hall. On August 10th and the 24th, Noonday will be held at 12 noon with the new series on the Book of Hosea. On August 12th, the missionaries will be meeting at 9 a.m. On August 13th, the Senior Fellowship will be held at 3 o'clock p.m. We've had multiple events celebrating 100 years in ministry. Our next big event is the Family Affair Gala. It will be held on August 27th here at Emmanuel Baptist Church in the Life Center at 200 Turner Street. The doors will open at 3 p.m. and the festivities will begin at 4 p.m. This will be a night to remember. We will have a special guest, a sit-down meal, and a peek into our future. Tickets will be $25 for adults, 13 and up, and $10 for children ages 5 through 12. 4 and under will eat for free. For more information, please see anyone on our events team. We'd like to ask the following members to please stand. At the Family Fair Gala, we will be honoring Mother Rosa Hudson, Mother Catherine Kersey, Mother Mary Beasley, Brother Rossi Jackson, Mother Helen Hayes, Mother Annie Ruth Darr, Mother Ruth Farabee, Mother Clara Farabee, Mother Claudine Best, Deacon William Strickland, and Deacon William Kearns. Be sure to join us at the Family Affair Gala as we celebrate our past, present, and our future. Our marriage retreat will be held from September 22nd through the 24th at Myrtle Beach. The cost is $225.22 per couple. Your $50 deposit is due on August 7th, and the remaining balance is due by September 11th.
The men's conference will take place on November the 4th through the 6th, 2016. We will be traveling to Myrtle Beach for an awesome experience. The cost is $200 for men and $75 for youth 18 and under. You can start paying today on the kiosk or on your envelope. Save the Date Leadership Retreat will be held March the 23rd through the 25th, 2017. We will be going back to Ridgecrest. More information is coming.
These announcements have been brought to you by the EBC News Team.
Don't forget to like our Facebook page at Emmanuel Baptist Church,
Or follow us on Instagram at EBC of Tville.
as well as our youth Instagram at EBC New Life.
And if you'd like to see these announcements again, please visit our website at emmanuelnc.net.
See you next week.